Alright, so you just booked your flight to Cancun or Machu Picchu. You have your sunglasses ready, your rental car ready, your sunscreen in your bag. You should be fine. Why? Well, you learned a little Spanish in high school, so you know how to communicate a little bit. I mean, how hard can it be? You just have to stay with the tourists, avoid meeting new people or making any new friends who don't look like they speak English, avoid getting sick, avoid making any emergency phone call to the doctors or the police, avoid buying from the locals or eating anything other than McDonald's, right? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Dania and I am a brand ambassador with Spanish 55. Today, I'll try to give you the most absolutely essential phrases you need to survive. Survive in a Spanish-speaking country, of course. So, get ready for a crash colloquial course in colloquial Spanish that will have you blending like a local in no time. So let's kick things off with the most important ones. These are lifesavers. Literalmente, they're ones that are gonna save you in the most important situations. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you the phrases and I will repeat them so you can repeat them after me and then I'll tell you the translation. La número 1. ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? Siguiente. ¿Dónde está el baño? Where is the bath? ¿Me puede ayudar, por favor? Auxilio, help, for emergencies only. Disculpe, ¿sabe cómo llego a? Do you know how to get to? ¿Me puede recomendar un restaurante? Where can I find a good restaurant? ¿Hay una farmacia por aquí? Is there a pharmacy around here or is there a pharmacy nearby? ¿Podría recomendarme un hotel cerca? Could you recommend a hotel nearby? Siguiente y una de las más utilizadas. ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta de crédito? Can I pay with credit cards? Siguiente. ¿Cuál es el número de emergencia? What is the emergency number? ¿Me puede decir cómo llegar al hospital más cercano? Can you tell me how to get to the nearest hospital? Now, here are some phrases that you will find useful if you're trying to get to know a person better if they only speak Spanish. Remember, body language is really important here. Your pronunciation doesn't have to be perfect as long as your energy is in the right place. But if you'd like to improve your pronunciation, stay tuned. Why? Because my next video will be about effective pronunciation hacks that they don't teach you at school. So hit the subscribe button and don't miss any of that. So now you know this, let's go with the social phrases. Vamos. ¿Cómo te llamas? Yo soy. What's your name? I'm. ¿A qué te dedicas? What do you do for a living? ¿Quieres algo de beber? ¿Quieres algo de comer? Do you want something to drink or eat? ¿Cuánto tiempo has estado de visita? How long have you been here? ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? ¿Vienes con amigos o familia? Are you visiting with your friends or family? Deberíamos vernos otra vez. We should see each other again. ¿Me das tu número? Can I have your number? So now, let's put your Spanish survival skills to the test with some roleplay scenarios. Escenario 1, you're a tourist and I am a local. Let's say that you want to ask me how to get back to your hotel. How would you say that in Spanish? Opción A. ¿Dónde está mi hotel? Opción B. Disculpe, ¿sabe cómo llegar a este hotel? Opción C. ¿Cómo llego al hotel? Muy bien, disculpe, ¿saben cómo llegar a este hotel? Perfecto. Now you want to ask me for the price of something. What would you say? Opción A. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Opción B. ¿Cuándo cuesta? Opción C. ¿Cuándo es esto? Opción A. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Now you're looking for a good restaurant. What would you say? Opción A. ¿Dónde es restaurante? Opción B. ¿Dónde está el restaurante? Opción C. Disculpe, ¿me puede recomendar un restaurante? Opción C. Disculpe, ¿me puede recomendar un restaurante? Vamos muy bien, amigos. Escenario 2. You're socializing at a party. And now you want to know someone's name. What would you say? Opción A. ¿Cómo te llamas? Opción B. ¿Qué es tu nombre? Opción C. ¿Cómo es? ¿Te llamas? Opción A. Esa era fácil. ¿Cómo te llamas? Now you want to know someone's age. What would you say? Opción A. ¿Qué años tienes? Opción B. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Opción C. ¿Cuántos años eres? Respuesta correcta, B. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Now you want a girl's number. What would you say? A. Número, por favor. B. ¿Tienes celular? C. ¿Me das tu número? Opción C. ¿Me das tu número? Es la opción correcta. So how did it go? Were you able to respond to the majority of the questions right? Nice job. I am very, very proud of you. If you like my video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And speaking of language learning, let me introduce you to Spanish 55. If you're tired of the typical language teaching methods, you should give it a try. You can choose your own schedule and learn anytime and anywhere. Our certified tutors are all native Spanish speakers, and they will adapt every lesson to your necessities. So I suggest you to write down these phrases and keep practicing them. Maybe even record your own voice so you can listen to your own pronunciation and be sure that it sounds natural. As long as you're making the effort to communicate, your travel experience will be 100% more enjoyable and you will feel more safe. Just keep practicing and embrace the process. You will be amazed at how far you will go. Thanks for joining me today, amigos. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the world. Hasta luego.